Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, which was All About Me. In today's lecture, we will learn about phonics. So, let's get started. First of all, let us know about the English alphabet. Do you know that English alphabet has 26 letters? Yes, it does. So, read along with me these letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now, let me tell you an interesting thing. All these letters have their own sounds. To learn those sounds, listen carefully and repeat after me. You will have to repeat it 2 times, okay? So, the sound of A is eh, eh. The sound of B is b, b. The sound of C is k, k. The sound of D is d, d. The sound of E is e, e. The sound of F is f, f. The sound of G is g, g. The sound of H is h, h. The sound of I is e, e. The sound of J is j, j. The sound of K is k, k. The sound of L is l, l. The sound of M is m, m. The sound of N is n, n. The sound of O is o, o. The sound of P is p, p. The sound of Q is k, k. The sound of R is r, r. The sound of S is s, s. The sound of T is t, t. The sound of U is a, a. The sound of V is v, v. The sound of W is w, w. The sound of X is x, x. The sound of Y is y, y. The sound of Z is z, z. Very good.